Welcome everybody. This is your host Ali Rathor from TechWrath TV. In this quick Laravel 12 Filament 3.2 tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can change this title of your listing page. So by default, it shows the name of the class that you're using, but with a small function, we can actually update this title. So how can we do it? Let's follow. Open your project file. I'm using VS Code, XAMPP, Apache Server, MySQL. Go to your apps folder, go to Filament, and open the resources folder. By default, you'll have a user resource. Open it, and you'll see pages, create user, edit user, and list user. Now, for those of you who have used -- simple or who've used a model, they can't see this one. So you need to create the resource properly. The extensive way, we will cover this one in the coming tutorials as well. Open your list user page, listuser.php, and then in the list user page, you'll see your class, a protected static resource. So I'm going to press enter, and we are going to type in and create a function. So the function is going to be public function get title, and I'm gonna press colon and string and double click. That's why we're letting it know that we are going to change single quotes and semicolon. So this one is going to be user information, and we are going to click save, go back, press F5 to refresh, and here you have it. So you can change the heading of this listing page where all the tables are shown and customize it as you like. Hope this was helpful to you guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, click the bell icon, spread the word, and you can support the channel by joining our Patreon. I am your host Ali Rathor from TechWrath TV, and hope you guys can have fun building your own project. Share with us any questions you have, any issues you're facing, and soon we will be launching our Discord channel as well that you guys can join and ask questions and get your problem solved by our expert or by me. Hope to see you guys with another tutorial coming soon. Take care and bye-bye.